Hey, how are you? So, I just wanted to give a little announcement. Now that we're hitting spring weather, a lot of my content is going to involve some of the outdoor activities that I love to do at our country property, like tree trimming, making jams out of pine cones, all that fun stuff.
Today I'm going to start by removing this box elder tree. Now I know some of you love box elder trees, but if that's the case for you, you might as well just unfollow me now, as they're terrible trees, and you'd be the first that I would sacrifice in a zombie apocalypse.
Well, that was a lot of work, but it's all done.